हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम सोशियोलॉजी के कुछ और इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स को पढ़ेंगे। स्ट्रक्चरल फंक्शनलिज्म एंड स्ट्रक्चरलिज्म। इसमें पहला क्वेश्चन है A.R. Radcliffe-Brown का आइडिया ऑफ सोशल स्ट्रक्चर। A.R. Radcliffe-Brown was a famous British social anthropologist and one of the main thinkers of structural functionalism. He believed that society is like a living organism where all parts work together to maintain balance, order, and stability. Radcliffe-Brown focused more on society than on individual. He believed that the study of society should focus on social relationship, institution, and structure rather than personal feeling or individual needs. His theory is called the structural functionalism because it connects structure and function together. Meaning of social structure. According to Radcliffe-Brown, social structure means the organized pattern of social relationships that exist in the society. It is arranged of individuals and groups connected through institutions like family, religion, politics, economy, and education. Social structure does not mean physical building or object. It means the way people are connected through social roles and relationships. For example, in a family, father has a role, mother has a role, children have roles. These relationships created the structure of the family. Similarly, village, school, and government also have their own social structure. Main ideas of Radcliffe-Brown. Society is more important than individual. Radcliffe-Brown believed that society is more important than individual person. Individuals may come and go, but society continue. For example, a teacher may leave a school, but the school system continue. Social institutions maintain social order. He believed that institutions like family, religion, law, and education exist because they help maintain order and stability in society. For example, family. Family provides socialization, religion creates unity, law control crime, education gives knowledge. Structure and function are connected. R.B. said structure and function cannot be separated. Structure means the arrangement of parts, function means the work performed by those parts. For example, family is a structure, its function is reproduction, childcare, and socialization. Without function, structure cannot survive. Without structure, function cannot happen. So both are closely connected. Society is like a biological organism. He compared society to the human body. In the body, heart pump blood, lungs help breathing, brain control action. Similarly, in society, family support emotional life, government maintain law, religion creates moral values. All parts work together for survival. Importance of social relationship. He focused on actual social relationships rather than individual psychology. He believed sociology should study how people are connected in daily life. For example, marriage, kinship, friendship. Leadership and authority are all social relationships. Criticism of Radcliffe-Brown. Ignore individual freedom. He gave too much importance to society and less importance to individuals. Ignore conflict. He focused mostly on stability and order. He did not explain conflict, inequality, and social change. Next question है S.F. Nadel, social structure and role analysis. S.F. Nadel was an important sociologist and social anthropologist who made a valuable contribution to the study of social structure. According to Nadel, society is not simplified made of people, but it is made of organized relationship between people. These relationships are based on status and roles. He believed that to understand society, properly, we must study the positions people occupy and the duties they perform. Meaning of social structure. According to S.F. Nadel, society structure means the arrangement of social relationships among individuals based on status and roles. It is not about individuals themselves but about the position they hold and how they are connected. For example, in a school, principal, teacher, student, clerk. Meaning of status means the social position or place of a person in society. Every person occupies different status in life. Example: father, teacher, doctor, student, and police officer. Meaning of role means the expected behavior connected with the status. It tells us what a person should do according to their position. Example: teacher teaching students, doctor treating patient, police maintaining law and order, students supplying and studying and learning. Thus, status, position, role, duty of that position. Main ideas of SF Nadel. Society is made of roles, not just people. Nadel said that society should not be studied only by looking at individuals. Instead, we should study the roles they perform. Status and role are connected. Every status has a role and every role depends on status. Example: status judge, role giving justice. Relationship are more important than individual. Nadel focused on relationships rather than personal qualities. Criticism ignores emotions. He focused mainly on roles and duties. He gave less importance to emotion, feelings, and personal choices. Too much focus on order. He mainly explained stability and ignored conflict and social change. He did not explain class struggle, inequality, and power differences clearly. Conclusion: S.F. Nadel explained that society is made of organized relationship based on status and role. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना. जब थर्ड सेमेस्टर के असाइनमेंट्स होंगी वो भी इसमें अपलोड की जाएंगे. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है लेवी स्ट्रॉस का स्ट्रक्चरल एनालिसिस. मीनिंग: स्ट्रक्चरल एनालिसिस इज द थ्योरी गिवन बाय क्लॉड लेवी-स्ट्रॉस. It means studying that hidden structure behind society, culture, myths, language, and human behavior. Lévi-Strauss believed that human thinking follows certain patterns. These hidden mental structures shapes traditions, customs, marriage rules, stories, and social life. According to him, to understand society properly, we must study the deep structure behind visible social activities. Main ideas of structure analysis. Human mind work in pattern. Lévi-Strauss said all human think in similar pattern. People understand the world by comparing opposite things like good, bad, life, death, rich, poor, happiness, sadness. Binary opposition. This is the central idea of structural analysis. Binary opposition means understanding things through object pairs. Example: male, female, nature, culture, light, dark, right, wrong. Study of myths. Lévi-Strauss studied myth and stories deeply. He believed myths are not just entertainment, they reflect the hidden structure of the human mind. Most stories contain opposition like hero and villain, truth versus lie, good versus evil, kinship and marriage rules. He also studied kinship system. Marriage and family relations follow social structure and hidden rules. Marriage creates relationship between groups and helps maintain social order. Nature and culture. Nature, natural activities like eating, sleeping, work. Culture, human-made rules like marriage, customs, religion, and language. Criticism of structural analysis. Too critical. This theory is difficult and complicated to understand. Ignores the social problem. Lévi-Strauss focused more on mental structure and less on real social issues like poverty, inequality, conflict, and exploitation. Human action ignored. Criticism said that he gave more importance to structure than to individual freedom and human action. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम थर्ड यूनिट का कॉन्फ्लिक्ट थ्योरी पढ़ेंगे। बाकी आप इस नोट्स को उतार लेना, मैं आपको पूरे क्लियरली दिखा देती हूँ फिर से स्टार्टिंग से। वेट, ये रहा। वीडियो को पॉज करके उतार लेना आप। चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना, आपको ऐसे नोट्स मिलते रहेंगे। थैंक यू, बाय।